Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Dubai Run 2023. Ayan, may mga pictures kami. This is our first time joining in the Dubai Run.
And it goes without saying, please do not push yourself in front of everyone who across the start line. My name is Katie Owen, I'm Michael J, and we'll be with you all of this morning. Finally, Dubai, let me hear you!
Ayan guys, may picturean muna kami dito sa museum bago kami tumakbo. This is our first time joining the Dubai Run 2023. Actually guys, wala kami dito t-shirt. Ayan, ang too big sponsor ng My Dubai. Kasi late registration na kami guys. Kaya kapag late registration ka na, as in wala ka talagang t-shirt na makukuha. Ito kami lahat, nagre-ready na to run in the 2023.
A few moments later.
Picture muna kami dito para may souvenir kami. Ayan, water is life. Nag-start na kami dito guys, tumakbo papuntang Dubai Mall. Ayan, umuwi na kami kasi may pasok pa tong isa. Saka yung sasakyan guys, saka parking sa kabila. Kasi sobrang close ang road. Thank you, God bless you, bye.